Hello and welcome to German Lessons with Mr. Ferguson. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Deutschunterricht mit Herrn Ferguson. Diese Vokabelstunde für Fortgeschrittenen, this Advanced Vocabulary Lesson, heißt die wichtigsten Verben mit der Präposition für. The most important verbs with the preposition für. Before wir anfangen, please remember to like this video, bitte klickt Gefällt mir, and to subscribe to my channel, so that I can keep helping you with your German. Bitte vergesst nicht zu abonnieren. If you're enjoying my videos, please consider buying me a coffee by clicking the banner now. All contributions are gratefully received and allow me to continue to bring you new and exciting German content whilst keeping it free to access on YouTube. Thank you to those of you who've already contributed. It's very much appreciated. Vielen Dank. In this lesson, we'll be looking at verbal phrases that use the preposition für. On its own, für means for, but in these phrases, it has a variety of meanings. It's one of the fudge bow prepositions and can therefore only be used with the accusative case. If you aren't sure what the accusative case or the fudge bow prepositions are, you can recap those by watching my accusative case video by clicking the banner now. Before we get into this, you'll need to know what the words etwas and jemand mean. Etwas means something, jemand means someone, and will decline into the different cases. The nominative form is jemand, and the accusative form that we're going to use in this video is jemanden. Those of you who know the masculine definite article der and how it declines to den in the accusative case will notice that there's a pattern here. In a dictionary, these words are sometimes shortened to etw and jmdn. So, let's get on to the phrases. Let's go. Los geht's. The first verb we're looking at is für etwas halten, which is used to explain what you consider something to be. Think of it as meaning to consider something as. For example, ich halte das für eine gute Idee. I consider that a good idea. Halten is a strong verb with an A to A umlaut change in the stem when used with either the second or third person singular. And if you want to recap what a strong verb is, please click the banner now. We can see the strong change in the question, Wofür hältst du mich? What do you take me for? Notice how the English uses the preposition for here, highlighting how historical English and German are more similar than people think. The past participle of halten is gehalten, and this goes with the helping verb haben. If you want to recap how to use the past participle of a verb as part of the perfect tense, please click the banner now. Verb number 2 is für etwas oder jemanden kämpfen, to fight for someone or something. Wir kämpfen für unsere Freiheit. We are fighting for our freedom. The past participle of kämpfen is gekämpft, and it goes with the helping verb haben. The third verb is für etwas sein, which simply means to be for something, as in to not be against it. Think of it as to be in favour of something. Ich bin für diesen Vorschlag. I am for this suggestion, or I am in favour of this suggestion. The past participle of sein is gewesen, and it's used with the helping verb sein. An example of this is Ich bin für diesen Vorschlag gewesen. I was in favour of this suggestion. As you probably already know though, it's much easier to use the imperfect tense of sein in this case and use the verb war. Ich war für diesen Vorschlag. The next verb is für jemanden oder etwas sorgen, which means to take care of someone or something, but can also be used as to arrange something or to provide or even to lay something on with regards to food or entertainment. Ich sorge für mich. I take care of myself. Mein Vater sorgt für das Essen. My father is taking care of the food, as in, he is providing the food. The past participle of sorgen is gesorgt, and it's used with the helping verb haben. Verb number 5 is für jemanden oder etwas stimmen, which means to vote for someone or something. Wir stimmen für diesen Kandidaten. We are voting for this candidate. The past participle of stimmen is gestimmt, and this is used with haben. The next verb to look at is für etwas ausgeben, meaning to spend money on something. This is a separable verb, and you can recap what a separable verb is by clicking the link in the description of this video. Ich gebe viel Geld für Kleidung aus. I spend a lot of money on clothes. The verb geben, which is part of ausgeben, is also a strong verb with an E to I change, and this can be seen in the following example. Meine Schwester gibt viel für Computerspiele aus. My sister spends a lot on computer games. The past participle of this verb is ausgegeben, and this goes with haben. For example, Warum hast du 100 Euro für einen Pullover ausgegeben? Why did you spend 100 euros on a jumper? The next verb is jemandem für etwas danken. The word jemandem, ending as it does in dem, highlights that the dative case has to be used here. The verb means to thank someone for something and can be used as follows. Dankt mir für das Geschenk. He thanks me for the present. This verb is where a common version of thank you comes from, as you may hear people say danke dir rather than simply thank you, danke. Similarly, it's a good time to highlight the idiomatic phrase in response to someone saying danke oder danke dir, which is nicht zu danken, meaning there is nothing to thank or thank you for, or it was nothing. The past participle of danken is gedankt and goes with haben. The eighth verb in this list is very similar to danken and is sich für etwas bedanken, which also means to be thankful for something. As this verb contains sich, we know that it's reflexive, and if you need to recap what I mean by a reflexive verb, you can watch the video about those by clicking this banner. Ich bedanke mich für die Unterstützung. I'm thankful for the support. The past participle of bedanken is bedankt and is used with the helping verb haben. Verb 9 is sich für etwas eignen, meaning to qualify for something or to be suited to something. Ich eigne mich nicht für Sport. I'm not suited to sport, or I'm not good at sport. Dieses Produkt eignet sich nicht für die Mikrowelle. This product is not suitable for the microwave. The past participle is geeignet, and this goes with haben. The 10th verb in this list is a more common one, and it's sich für etwas entscheiden, to decide on something. Ich entscheide mich für eine Pizza. I decide on a pizza. The past participle of this verb is sich entschieden, and this goes with haben, in the perfect tense. This is a verb that has the EI to IE change, in the same way as to stay, bleiben, and geblieben, or to write, schreiben, and geschrieben. Ich habe mich für Chemie als Wahlfach entschieden. I've decided on, or I've chosen chemistry as an optional subject. The penultimate verb in this video is sich für etwas entschuldigen, to apologize for something. You may have heard the word Entschuldigung, meaning sorry or excuse me, but now we can use it to apologize for things you've done. Ich möchte mich für die Verspätung entschuldigen. I would like to apologize for the delay. The past participle is entschuldigt, and this also goes with haben. Hat sich noch nicht dafür entschuldigt. He has still not apologized for that. The final verb to discuss here is sich für etwas interessieren. To be interested in something. Ich interessiere mich für Deutsch, aber meine Schwester interessiert sich gar nicht für Sprachen. I'm interested in German, but my sister is really not interested in languages. The past participle of interessieren, as with all verbs ending in ieren, is interessiert, and this also goes with haben. And so, those are the 12 most used verbs that come with the preposition für. It's a good idea to pause the video now to recap what we've covered. Remember that the preposition für will always go with the accusative case. Remember too to learn the past participles as well as the infinitives so that you can use these verbs in the past, present and future tenses. Habe ich einige nützliche Verben vergessen? If you're a native German speaker and think I've forgotten any useful verbs which are used with the preposition für, please let me know in the comments. Bitte schreibt einen Kommentar. Also, please don't forget to click subscribe to receive all of my German lesson videos, language learning tips and updates. You can also follow me on Instagram with the username Herr Ferguson and on Twitter under @Herr Ferguson. Otherwise, from me, it's Danke und auf Wiedersehen.